Everyday kitchen item. Put a fresh twist on making your own lemon juice. This colorful Zak Designs citrus reamer is great for everyday use and brightens up the kitchen. D-Tool. Use fresh lemon juice in your favorite recipes. When store-bought juice doesn't cut it, this citrus reamer is great for juicing lemons, limes, and other fruits. Save prep time. The fruit reamer juices citrus quickly and efficiently, with a comfortably rounded handle and a sharp point to easily remove seeds. Safe material. This citrus reamer is made of 100% melamine material, which is durable and long-lasting. It is BPA-free as well as dishwasher safe, do not microwave. Functional size. This citrus fruit reamer has a functional size that makes it easy to store when it's not needed. It has a diameter of 3.5 inches and is 7.25 inches long. This Zak Designs citrus fruit reamer puts a fresh twist on making your own lemon juice. Everyday kitchen item. This Zak Designs citrus reamer is great for everyday use and brings a little color to the kitchen. The product has a comfortably rounded handle and a point to help dig out seeds. Do-it-yourself tool. Use fresh lemon juice in all your favorite cooking recipes. This citrus reamer is great for lemons, limes, and other fruits when the store-bought juice just doesn't cut it. Convenient and dishwasher safe. This citrus reamer is made of 100% melamine material that is durable and long-lasting. It is BPA-free as well as dishwasher safe, as well as small enough to store when it's not in use. Do not microwave. Spec. Made of durable melamine material. BPA-free, your family's safety is our priority. Dishwasher safe, do not microwave. Top reviews from the United States. Best, most effective citrus juicer I've ever used. I've used the cone and bowl type, the one where you fit it over a measuring cup, and the squeeze type, and this is the easiest, most effective way to get all the juice out of a piece of citrus. It's the closest to how we did it in culinary school, with a fork, without the risk of stabbing yourself in the palm. If you want to filter seeds, buy a small mesh strainer and strain over it. This guy is heavier than he looks too. Good heft. Comfortable handle. Simple to wash. And I adore the color.